shit. What are you scared of that cock-a-doodle-doo? Oh shit. I am back. I decided to cheat YouTube and my gay webcam, and I decided to just get a phone. My phone. To record my videos. So, I'm recording my video from my phone. Just a second, let me go to the viewing grounds. Upstairs. I am upstairs. Yeah, just beat my dog with my phone. So anyways, let's get this bitch going. Make sure I'm still going. Only 55 seconds in. What's up, YouTube? Undefined SPG here. Haven't said that in about a year. As y'all remember, maybe. Probably not. My bitch ass motherfucking ex-girlfriend. She deleted all my videos. That's why I don't have that many videos on there. So I got new password and all that good stuff. So she probably won't know. Or she can't get on there. I got a new girlfriend. I got some big news to tell y'all at the end. I didn't even know if this was going to work. So I already had my dip in and everything. Didn't even write my notes. I had a paper though. So I'm just going to wing it. First off, tell y'all some stuff. Me and my girlfriend have been together a year now. I gotta get my subscribers and shit like that, even though I probably got like 10 now, because I deleted all my videos. Grizzly wintergreen, of course, only thing I do. I think I got some dog hair on my camera lens, hang on. Alright, we're good. Anyways, I'm on the laptop, the other computer's in the other room, so the other computer's faster, but the laptop's got to do it for now. It's weird, I don't know what to talk about now. Just kidding. Well, go for a job interview on Thursday. Been bow season here. Ready for rifle season start up. Got my job interview on Thursday. As soon as I get this job, I'm pretty sure I'm getting it. I'm gonna get a new gun, probably a 270 Remington. Just go deer hunting and stuff like that. Wow, I missed y'all. I don't know what to talk about though. I got so much shit, I just don't know which one to say. What interesting stuff has happened to me. I got 2 new dogs. One of them you already seen. And the other one's probably laying around, being lazy like always. He don't want to come in the camera. Let's see. This is going to be a tough one. I like that new song just came out, My Kind of Party by Jason Aldean. If you haven't heard it, you need to listen to it. I tried Raccoon for the first time. It's actually pretty good. I don't know if anybody's had the chance to try Raccoon, but you should. I know it may be something you're not used to eating, but try it out. I'm trying to get this thing going, this computer. Come on. This is a dog. It's a beagle or something. Yeah, I know, I still got heartburn. I've been taking some medicine though, but I haven't taken it the last 2 days. Get down, bitch. He's trying to bite me right now. What is it with YouTube? Shut up. But, what was this thing? Oh, yeah, YouTube. Shut up! Come here. But shut up, I'm trying to make a video. Shut up! Sorry about this. Come on! I'm the... Alright. He just wants to play. I'm trying to get my freaking subscriber list up, or my subscribers and everything, so I can do some shout outs. I'll do some off the top of my head that I know about. Stratocaster, Cajun Tiger 616 Steve, Dippin' Wrestler, I don't know your full name, WWRD or Dippin' Wrestler. I think it's working. And everybody else. I'll check you out in a minute. But here's the big news, guys. Undefined SVG is going to be a dad. Yeah, I know. I'm going to be a dad. Me and my girlfriend have been together for a while now, so it wasn't planned, but it happened. So, gotta do what's best. Here we go, subscriptions. Oh, what the hell is up with Stick'em? I got on Stick'em. Every time I get on there, if I don't have my camera for like, as soon as I walk in that room, or get in that room, it seems I get kicked. It's a bunch of bullshit. I remember back in Stick'em when everybody was on there and was all cool and everybody can just get in there and talk. But it seems there's like 4 different rooms now because of all this drama that I missed out on and everything, but who cares? I don't know if Jack No Coke stopped making videos or what, but shout him out. Asian Crank, Outlaw Dipper, Darcy from Mud Jugs. I know, I'm spitting in a bottle, but I don't have Mud Jug. I got a kid on the way, so I can't really pay for a Mud Jug. But it's alright. Shout outs to everybody. I'll start making some videos here again. But I'm going to cut this one off, just make sure it works. But everybody remember, dip it till it kills you. This is Undefined SVG, signing out.